It's 4:45 a.m. and I can't decide if I should go back to bed or I should wake up and shovel snow. I think we already have like 2 inches. Brian left at like, what time did he leave? Like 3:15 to go plow, and I've been up ever since, so I don't know if I should just get up. It's almost 5, but then I just feel like my day is going to be so long if I do. Maybe this just warrants a nap or something, but... Okay, I'm up and I'm gonna make some coffee first. Oh my gosh, these lights are tough on the eyes, but I'm gonna make coffee first and then I'm gonna let my dogs out. Mr. Chip. Hey, this is the worst part. Brian asked to put the couches together so we could sleep down here. I have the bubble light tree on, and then I just turned on the other Christmas tree, so it's very cozy in here. This is my absolute favorite thing ever. My dad made this for me. This one just started bubbling. Time to let the puppies out. Oh, Macy. Come on. Stay down. All right. I know Hank will probably go out, but I already know Macy does not want to go out, so. Hanky! Yeah, Chip, he's outside. He's outside. It's currently 6:20 and I actually just edited a vlog and uploaded it, but it's not gonna go live until probably tomorrow. And then I also uploaded a few shorts. I think I'm just going to quick do a little bit of skincare and then head out and try to stay on top of all these snow shoveling. I don't want Brian to come home and have to shovel too. So I've lived in Minnesota my entire life and I do not have a snow blower. So it has just been a shovel the last like 5 years I've lived alone. So shouldn't say alone, but have had my own place. Hank can come out, but Macy, you have to stay. Probably like 3 inches so far. Much better. I just got a package from Josie Moran. Oh my gosh, they sent an actual card. Oh my gosh, they planted 25,000 trees in California, 20 of which have been planted in your name. Oh, my favorites. Yes. Oh my gosh, so many too. Look at all these. That is so kind. Look at all of these. Yummy. So I have this one, vanilla vibes, but I have yet to try other ones. Okay, so we have body scrubs and body butter. Oh my goodness. Cool, thank you so much. Okay, I got back in from shoveling again, and honestly, we had like the same amount of snow from this morning, but it was rough. But I just got a few new packages in the mail again. Oh, you know what? This is for my dad for Christmas. This is gonna be from TikTok Shop. Yeah, okay. Very cute. It's like this silk halter top. Very pretty, but it's not technically a halter top. This would be the front, so you'd have like almost like a choker around you, and then the back wraps around. And then this is from Dermatology, but I don't remember like getting anything. Okay, so skincare backed by science. Oh, okay. Brightening eye masks. And oh my gosh, wintertime does not agree with me. My dark circles get so bad. One, because they're just like, they run in my family. And two, I get so pale in the winter. So the contrast between the paleness of my skin and the darker under eye is just in your face. It's so bad. Honestly, I might try these right now. Yeah, honestly. Okay, it's officially Friday. I'm gonna style my hair and film a few videos today. And then I wanna say, what is it, the 21st already? I need to finish my Christmas shopping. I pretty much am done. I just need to grab Brian a few more things. Last night we had our last rec volleyball game as a team for the fall season, and we actually won. We beat this team that we have lost to like 6 times in a row, and we only had 5 players and they had 6, so that was exciting. exciting. Okay, I just finished defusing my hair. I was sent this blow dryer and it had the diffuser attachment. I have never had nice results like this with my hair. I feel like I love it and I want to wear my natural hair more because this is just so pretty. I only have like wavy hair. Top layer is definitely not as wavy as like my bottom layer, but I still feel like it looks pretty nice. Hey, Brian and I just got back from the mall and I'm kind of bored, so I'm gonna start to wrap a bunch of Christmas presents. I have everybody's Christmas present here, obviously except for Brian because he's right over here with Macy, but I'm just gonna start wrapping.
What do I do?
To Vanessa.
To Vanessa from Brian.
You near it.
I was gonna put the number 2.
Oh my gosh. I'm just really quickly getting ready, doing some very light makeup just to look presentable. And then, like I said, today I am hosting lefse with just a tiny group of people from my family. I think it'll be really fun. Okay, Brian and I finished lefse. We had dinner and we're heading out to Dick's Sporting Goods right now to finish our shopping, hopefully. Again, we went to the Mall of America yesterday, but it was a bad experience. There was nothing there, so hopefully there is something this time. I actually just got some more packages in the mail. Prada sent me a few lip balms. And these are kind of fun. First of all, the packaging is really cool. It's like a magnetic top. And then, like I said, it's a lip balm. So it's a really funky color, but obviously it doesn't show up blue on your lips. And then they also sent me augmented skin cream. So a really nice, I'm sure, moisturizing skin cream. Then I was also sent this perfume. It literally smells like summer. If you want to have like a flashback to summer, get this. It is so good. And then we all know I really need this. Under eye brightener I wanted to try. And then Prada also sent me this perfume, and it's truthfully a little bit too mature for me. So I think my grandma will love it. So I'm actually just gonna wrap it up and give that to her as another gift. Okay, it is time to take Macy on a walk. Yep, we're gonna go on a walk. Are you ready for a walk? Let's go. We gotta get your jacket. Can you sit? Sit. Good girl. Okay, are you ready? Good girl, let's go.